Dumping it. Ding! This is mine. There's a flip screen. Oh my gosh. It's a very gloomy and windy day. Welcome to EC Vlogs. The quality in this vlog is gonna look a little bit different than my normal quality because I am filming on a Canon G7X Mark II. I am incredibly happy that I got this camera. I bought it with my own money. I swear I'm not flexing. I just woke up. It's 8:42 a.m. Alright, now that I've taken a shower, changed clothes, I've changed personalities. What? Alright, now it's time for a balanced breakfast. Lay's sour cream and onion. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not actually eating chips for breakfast. Where did that cup come from? Nature. Yeah.
See that sidewalk?
Yeah.
One of the things we're going to do tomorrow, all those limbs are hanging over the sidewalk.
Yeah.
We're going to cut those off.
It's actually really nice up here. One thing I really like about the upstairs area is there is such amazing lighting in here. Then we have a bathroom with a really nice little mirror. How is this mirror so clean?
Switch you. You know what?
How are you doing?
Good. Oh, you're videoing, you're not taking it. I was expecting
yeah.
a picture.
I can take a picture. How do I cook this? What does it say? Can't read. Remove this thingy. Peel back the corner. Microwave for 4.5 minutes. Oh. Yeah. Now we wait. Okay, I think that's good.
Green, yellow,
red. Green, I guess.
Grandma.
It can't be like this. It can't be like that. It has to be like that.
Corner to corner.
Corner to corner.
That's so interesting. Not doing anything.
Why does it say record?
It doesn't?
REC?
That's my nickname.
Ah, rec.
Yeah, it's for the room. So what game did we just finish? So
Blockus.
I blockist her from a lot.
Yeah, you did.
I won once.
What's next?
Once. It's mostly how wide the shot is. Hold the camera and see how long you could stick your arm out. Because this one's incredibly wide. See how incredibly wide that lens is?
Yeah.
It's for vloggers. I couldn't vlog like this when I had my 3-pound camera, so I mostly did shots like mostly did shots like this because I was like, I don't want to hold this.
Yeah.
Doing this. So I was just like, hey guys, I'm just gonna grab some ice cream. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, yeah, that's good enough. Alright guys, I just got up. We're about to go to breakfast. We're just getting ready. I'm vlogging in here because none of the lights are on. In. That guy's gonna hit that pole. Oh, that's so close.
Yeah, that would have been fun. Well, would it? Funny to watch, not funny to see someone do it.
Hey, good. What's it?
I'm telling you, I'm a nice person.
Yeah, they gave me the drip. But he likes your eggs because you don't do cheese, you do milk.
I did grandma's eggs.
Nice out there.
Food. I was a huge disaster trying to make this. It's also a disaster. That's a goal! I always need hand sanitizer.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, thank you.
You have some popcorn.
I can actually take popcorn?
I use the scoop.
Well, take your time.
You don't get that service.
Since when is this a thing?
It's always been a thing.
I don't remember this.
You don't get this at Home Depot or Lowe's.
No.
You get it from your local Ace stores.
Oh, this is my type of tool. Tools to mine diamonds. 10 blocks above bedrock. That's the secret. Imagine this conversation. Where are the axes at? They're right next to the clocks and the flags and the tree trimmers. Very helpful. Let me just find the owl tree trimmer aisle. I didn't know that they sold wagons from McDonald's. Sunny side up. Oh, there's a puppy. There's 3 puppies. What? I'm still covered in sawdust. It looks so warm. Like, I really want to jump into this thing. Look at that. Interesting. Alright, I bet this is like really warm. Woo! Really warm! Really warm. Oh, that's just sad. Look at all that. What is that? Looks really cool. Alright, in the bag you go. Yeah. Enjoy the ride. 7 what miles?
7.2.
That's how many miles we ran. Something wrong with my vocal cords and stuff.
Probably right now.
Very sharp. Huh.
Yeah.
You got Grandpa's other.
He does. It's big and he's like,
And I'm back.